It's not just what you eat. When you eat can make or break your energy levels. Your body thrives on routine, and eating at consistent times stabilizes your blood sugar. Start your day with a nutrient-packed breakfast to kickstart your metabolism. Aim to eat every 4 to 5 hours to maintain energy, and avoid skipping meals, which can lead to crashes. Eating a balanced dinner at least 3 hours before bed helps your body digest and promotes better sleep. Timing your meals right keeps your energy consistent, prevents fatigue, and sets your body up for peak performance. Your journey to greatness starts now. Follow Optivire for expert advice.